toy.
Yes, little dippers.
Little dippers.
Come on. Oh, come on, Hamza, help them.
Open it. No, I know.
It's okay. You guys can do it together. So it'll be faster. Okay? So give me the plastic.
Wait,
Come, give me the plastic so I can throw in the trash. Okay, the tape.
Yeah, wait, let me deal with the tape.
Okay.
Right? Right?
Take a while.
Yeah, because it's not that easy to open the tape, you know. Right?
More tape. Later you can pass all that to me, okay?
Okay, no, just
I'm going to throw it in the trash can. Yeah.
Or something. Wait, is that all the tape? No, there's more.
Is that all?
There's a lot.
It's
There's
a
a
lot.
lot more. You just... Okay. There's still a little bit more tape. I hate tape.
Now? Oh, you put it out.
Okay.
And then
There's still some more tape.
there's more tape. So this is the tank.
Yeah.
Maybe you can get the water and you fill the water in it.
Step 1. Decorate the tank.
You have to decorate the tank.
No!
Is that
do scissors.
so? You remove the
Oh,
packaging, right? Okay, you have to remove it, and then you have to pour the water,
Yes.
right?
We have to figure something out with more tape.
More tape.
Why is the stick so secure with tape? I did it.
There you go.
Where's the Chicago?
Oh, that's the fish feeder.
Well, he really likes this. Okay, let's see if it attracts to the fish feeder. Oh, it's going. Wait, is it going? I don't know if it is. Oh, wow.
You want to release it in the pool? You want to try it?
But are you sure that will work? Oh, it's coming.
Yes.
Come. I dare you to come.
She's attracted to the fish
no.
feeder, right?
No, Wes, please.
Can you show me the fish feeder?
Please like this.
Yeah. Okay, come.
I don't know if it's this side. Is it this side?
Okay. You want to put it in the pool?
Okay.
Okay, go. Release it in the pool.
Okay, wait. The water bath?
Yes.
But there's a stop part.
What? You go and get the fish.
Where do I put this?
Okay. Put the fish. Yes. I'm sure. See? It's swimming. Come here. Put it right here. Right here. Here. So I can see it. Here. She can swim. See? She's a good swimmer.
No.
She's a good swimmer.
I can't
Let go of her. Hamza.
Hey, can I go to the deep pool back?
Yeah. Okay, you can get the fish. Put it in the tank. Diana, put your unicorn fish in the tank. It's okay. She can play with it. Let's go over here. Oh my gosh. Okay, come put it in the tank.
Back to the tank you go. Back to the... Oh, wait, it's cold.
Don't do that.
This fish food is not working. It's pretty annoying how the fish food. I think it doesn't want to eat.
It doesn't want to eat.
It's a It doesn't want to. No. She wants to swim. Let her swim, please. She doesn't like food. She doesn't want to eat her food. Okay. It wants to eat like that.
Look at the fish. The fish is swimming. Hmm? You like the fish? Always like the fish? How cute. So the baby love the unicorn fish. Huh? The baby. Are you a baby white?